All right, so this is the 5th try. I have tried to stir this up completely. As you can see, there's still chunks of spinach in there. So with the spinach in the blender still, yes, there is a strainer on top, but at the same time, what's the point of that? I want to drink a nice blended smoothie, not something chunky. It's not soup. So, yeah, this is what my protein powder and a little bit of a pack that I got at Safeway, and I didn't put a lot in there. It's literally about 3 cubes of mangoes and 2 strings of spinach that just got chopped up, but it just, yeah, now it's getting more milkier and more leafier. Not what you want. But I recommend this only for a protein drink.